Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're just here at another abandoned hotel. Like, there are a couple of people that are staying here just to look after. Hello. I won't put you on camera though, but so I was just talking to like a family that's looking after the place here. Like, I did come here this morning and I asked if I could get permission to come film here, but there's a young boy here following me around. I don't want to put him on camera, but I think he's quite intrigued to see a man covered in tattoos. But I scouted this location last time I was out here. So I did want to come here last time, but they did have the fences locked and they've got the fence open there. So I did come here this morning, as I said, and I asked a couple of people for some permission to film. So I won't put them on camera, but I'm staying down at the hotel down there, a couple of doors down from the other abandoned hotel I filmed last time. So from the information I found out, this place closed down around the start of COVID, or during COVID I should say. So we'll just go for a little walk. I don't really want to get in anyone's way. Like this morning, as I said, I did see a bunch of men bring in some furniture, so I was a bit intrigued and I had a bit of a chat. Like, the bloke spoke some reasonable English, so we'll have a look around as we did in the other place. I've got a flash on, so I'll just put the flash on, I should say. That's the wrong one. But yeah, I really like exploring these abandoned buildings, and it is sad to see a beautiful country that has a lot of abandoned buildings. Okay, we'll just get the flash off. I probably should leave it on just in case we go into another one. So I do apologise if it does flash. My apologies. But this is just a hobby for me. So I do hope I did try to find out if this will open up again, but the bloke that's here now, he doesn't really speak much English. So it is good that the place has been looked after, because a lot of these abandoned buildings, they do come in and steal whatever they can, and you can't really blame people, you know, if there's no money. Like they'll come and take anything they can. Like, I know in Thailand I did film a few abandoned buildings and they take all the air conditionings out. Like that other building I did film a while ago, they did come in and take all the air cons. So we'll just hopefully I can do this in one film. Hopefully I don't have to do any editing, but it is good that I did get permission to come in here, and I'll just give them a little bit of money. I don't have much on me at the moment because I haven't been to the bank, just come back from lunch, so I'll just give them like some small cash I've got. It is good just to help a little. It is good to see all this space here, and you do see these shrines all over the place. Okay, so we won't go through there because that's blocked off. Yeah, you can't help everybody, but it is good just to help out like a bit if you can. Yeah, we won't enter into any rooms which are closed, because in case there's somebody is squatting in there, because I know a few people are staying in here. I'll put the flash back on. Yeah, I just charged up the charger. I mean the flash. Sorry, I'm a bit tongue-tied. I've just got back to the hotel and I did see the gate was open, so I thought I might seize the opportunity. It does seem a rather big complex. I probably should head back the other way, but I think I might head forward. I'm not too sure if that was a swimming pool at the front or just a fountain, but I really enjoy these abandoned buildings. Oh, yeah, it is sad, as I said. This looks like white ants are starting to come in, because I've had white ants in my house in Australia several times, like, and they've come back again. Unless that's some sand. Nah, that's white ant. Yeah, you can hear that young child. Oh yeah, so the toilets have been taken out of here, sadly. But as I said, I've got no idea if this will be redone It's probably something which could be bulldozed and put something modern here. But you know, like squatters could come and have somewhere safe to stay at least. So we are filming in 4K, hopefully. I did a test on the 5K the other day, but I don't have a 5K device. I've got a 4K TV at home, but I'm on holiday at the moment. We're off to 3 other countries in the next couple of months. I've already said I'm going to Japan, but I've got 2 other countries I haven't mentioned yet. But yeah, these are all same. So we'll try and go up these stairs. Right, we'll have a quick sticky beak down here, and then actually I think someone's staying there, so we won't go there. But as I've said, it's very good that people are staying here to keep an eye on it, so stuff that doesn't get vandalised. I know I did do 3 videos. There's a little kitty. I did do 3 videos at a really abandoned building which was covered in graffiti, and I really enjoyed that. And it's good that this place isn't covered in graffiti, even though I really love graffiti. This place here could be fixed up, you know, with a fair amount of money. So hopefully someone who's got deep pockets will take this on. So these are the same. So I'd probably say 3 years that this has been vacant, because COVID, I think 4.5 years, I think. So it is quite a large premise. Okay, we'll just jump back down here. I don't really want to fall off and stab myself, so just give me a few moments. Yeah, it's quite sad the GoPro does not have a pause button. Yeah, I was going to use the iPhone to film this, but that doesn't have a pause button, I don't think, as well. But the Samsung does. And that's me. G'day. Yes, handsome man I am. Now this one looks quite nice. Yeah, so the toilets have been taken out. So like they're quite spacious rooms actually. Like there are a lot of hotels here which are they look like they're running, but they're not. Like out the front it looks quite fine to me, but yeah, you can tell it hasn't been used for some time. Oh, actually it's got another level up there. Wow. We might try and get onto the roof actually. Actually, that might be an idea. Actually, we'll keep rolling. I can edit it and join everything up, but I just want to save my hands and just try and keep stuff to the one file, because we're already up to 8 minutes. Yeah, I know everyone has a short attention span like myself, but some people do enjoy these abandoned buildings. So we'll follow the sign that says exit. So there should be some stairs here, I'm assuming. Alright, and it is good that I did speak to the people staying here, so I'm not to disturb people. Like that other abandoned building I went to, I scared the hell out of myself and scared the hell out of some other young fella who was actually the caretaker of that place, to stop vandals stealing the cable. But there's actually, this is pretty cool. So this is normally locked up. As you can see, there's a lock. Oh shit, that scared the hell out of me. Apologies for swearing. Yeah, oh, sweating. Yeah, it's quite warm in there. Just want to make sure I don't get that kid on camera. Yeah, so this is a pretty good view up here. So I'm assuming this is another hotel. I won't get too close in case if I fall off. So this one's being used at the moment still, but that's another property. So I'll just be careful with this wire in case if it is live. Make sure nothing's on there. Hop over that. Oh, So if you are into filming stuff yourself, always check with the property next door, or try and engage with a shop just to check before you do come in these properties, because there are trespassing laws. Every property I've gone into, I have tried to engage with the locals just to see if it is okay, just so I get a blessing, because I don't want to get in trouble with the local law and have to pay some money. So there is a really good view there, and the beach isn't too far. Just in front of this building here is the beach. So what we'll do is we might wrap this section up in a moment, and we'll probably just leave this to what it is. I think we're coming up to 11 minutes, so there is a lot more to film, but I reckon we'll probably just wrap it up. I'll just hop over this again, yeah, because I don't know if they're live, and even though I've got rubber soles on, yeah. All right, hope everyone's enjoyed. I will try and do some more abandoned buildings. There is a lot more graffiti ones that I will get into over the next couple of weeks, and a couple of the other countries I'm going to, there's some really good graffiti that I've already sussed out. So I hope everyone's enjoying the videos I'm making. Some you may not, but certainly hit the likes, subscribe if you haven't, put the thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed, unsubscribe. It doesn't really worry me. This is just a hobby. It's just to keep my mind active while I am travelling. It is a bit cold in Australia at the moment, so I've come to find some heat, and we'll see you on the next exciting episode. Uru for now.